Who's gonna go first?
Just go ahead.
Read the card.
River, Kate,
So they can open it at the same time. Honey, read your card because we wrote something sweet.
Open your card, River.
Jody's got cards for non-reading kids. That's why you need to be there.
Open it up, Riv. Let me see it and I'll read it for you.
It says, Arian, happy Easter. We love you and hope you have a wonderful day. Hannah, Atlanta, and Ann.
River.
Hannah, Atlanta.
River, happy Easter, little bunny rabbit. We love you so much. Have a great day with love and giggles. Love Aunt Jody and Hannah. You better go give hugs and kisses.
Happy Easter 2009. We love you so much. We love you. Hannah and your love. Hannah.
Okay, rip them open.
Oh, wait.
Hurry, they're gonna go open. Goodness gracious.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my goodness.
You gotta be kidding me. It's a bunny as big as you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. We wanted one for ourselves.
They only had 4.
They only had 4.
What is it, River?
Look at that.
Whoa.
Okay, your school.
Show your
Wow.
daddy. Whoa.
Turn around and show Dad.
River, what is it?
Bowling pin.
Turn it around and show your daddy.